Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. My name is Akib and today I'm going to show you how you can collect leads from form responses and send updates to your team instantly about that lead collection on Telegram automatically. So let me show you how this is going to work. So we are going to do this by setting up this automation, and here is how it is going to work. As in when any person is going to fill a contact form that you have created, here we have taken the example of Pabbly form builder to create that form, and you can use this form on your website or you can share it with your audience. And as and when any person is going to fill this form, you are going to generate a lead, and that lead will be delivered to your team on Telegram as a message automatically. Okay. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. So for this, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, right? And here you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as send lead updates from Pabbly Form Builder to Telegram automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a lead collection or a form submission from Pabbly form, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the update about that lead to your team on Telegram. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application first, which is a form created with the help of Pabbly Form Builder. So the trigger application would be Pabbly Form Builder. Okay, select your trigger application, and here you have to select the trigger event as new form submission option. So it will trigger this workflow when a new form is submitted. Select this. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so with the help of this URL, we are going to make the connection with Pabbly Form Builder. Then after that, we are going to fill the form on the behalf of our demo lead, and we are going to capture the data of that form response here in Pabbly Connect. And with the help of that data, we are going to move forward, right? So you can read these instructions to make this connection. Let me show you how I can do this. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Form Builder, guys. And here I have created many forms, and I'm using this one, connect with us. This is a kind of contact form. You can use it on website to collect leads. Okay. So here is this form. And so here on this dashboard of Pabbly Form Builder, you will find this integrations option on this left hand side panel. Click on integration. Okay, and here you will find this Webhooks tab, and under this Webhooks tab, when you click, you will find this create Webhook button. So click on create Webhook, and here in this add Webhook field, you have to paste the Webhook URL that you have here. So just click on copy from here and paste this Webhook URL here in this add Webhook field like this. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, and a new Webhook is created here, you can see. Okay, and here you can see it will show you this label response here. Okay, in your workflow. Now you have to click here on this recapture Webhook response button. Click on recapture, then click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for Webhook's response. So this means now you have to do a test submission or you have to fill the form on the behalf of any demo lead, for example, and you have to capture the data from the form here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have opened my form here, you can see, and I'm going to fill the details of uh, this form. Okay, on the behalf of any demo lead. So I'm filling the details as Abhishek, let's say, is the first name of the person. Last name, let's say, is Tiwari. This is the email address. This is the phone number. This is the address, and I'm clicking on submit here. And you can see the message or the form is submitted successfully. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form response. So here we can see we have received this kind of response in our workflow, and here you can see the responses that you have received from the form, the name of the person who have filled the form, the email address, the phone number, and all the details. Okay, so this is the lead that we have generated out from our form, and now I want to add this lead. I want to send update about this lead collection to my team on Telegram channel. For that to happen, I have to connect Telegram application here in this actions tab. So from here, you have to choose the action application now as Telegram bot. Search for Telegram bot. Okay. And here in the action event, you have to select send a text message or a reply option. Then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection. And here it will ask to enter the token key or the API key to make the connection with Telegram. So for that, you have to create a bot first in Telegram application, and then you have to add that same bot in the group in which you want to send the message, and you will get the token to paste here. Let me show you the whole process. You can read the instructions here. So guys, this is my Telegram web application, and from here I'm going to search here in the search panel bot father. Okay, so you have to type here bot father, and you will find this blue ticked bot father icon. Click on this bot father, and here you have to message this bot father / new bot, this one. Okay, send it, and it will reply instantly like this. All right, a new bot. So how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for a bot. So you have to provide a name to your bot. So I'm giving the name as lead bot or leads. Okay, now it is asking good. Now let's choose a username for your bot, and it must end in bot, like it has given the example Tetris bot or Tetris _ bot. Okay, so let me give the username here as lead _ 1 _ bot. Okay, and a new bot is generated here like this. You can see congratulations on a new bot, and you can find the bot at this link. Okay, and here it has given us this HTTP API token to make the connection. So you just have to copy this token from here like this. Okay, and paste this token here in this token field in your workflow. Then click on save, and you will be connected with Telegram, right? So here you can see we are now connected, and here it is asking the chat ID. So before showing you this, first of all, open your bot and add this bot that you have created into the group in which you want to send the messages to. So this is my group, guys. Here my team is present, team Pabbly, and I want to update my team about the lead collection. Okay, so I'm going to add this bot here in this group. So I cannot show you this on my screen, but you can easily do this from your smartphone. So I have added leads bot here in this group. Okay, and when you open this group, in this search bar URL section, you can see this string of integers written here after this hashtag with a dash sign. So this string of integers is the chat ID that we needed. So just copy these numbers like this. Okay, and paste this number here in the chat ID field in your workflow like this. So this is our chat ID. And here in this text message, you have to type the message that you want to send to your team. So it will be a standard message. Let me type the message here. So I have written the message as this. You can see, hello team, we have captured a new lead from our contact form. And here is the name, email, contact address of the lead. and I'm going to map this data from this first step where we have captured the data of the lead from the form. Okay, so to map the data, you just have to come here on this message and click here, and you will find this Pabbly form builder new form submission option in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find all the data that you have received from the first step. So from here only, I'm going to map the name as this Abhishek. Let me map the full name here. Okay, for the email, use the same process. Map the email. For the contact, use the same process and map the contact number. Okay, so you can map all the details that you have like this only, right? Okay, and now you can enable the notifications for these kind of messages. You can choose yes or no, and if you are sending any link previews, you can make it the link previews yes or no. For now we are not sending any links, so I'm making it no only, right? Now you can check your connection with your Telegram application by clicking on save and send test request, and you will receive a new message here in this group. Okay, so I'm clicking on save and send test request, and here you can see this is the response we have received. And let me show you the message in Telegram. Here you can see we have received a new message, and the message is this: hello team, we have captured a new lead from a contact form, and these are all the details. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation and map the data here like this only once. So as you map the data, what will happen? Whenever you capture a new lead, this data is going to change accordingly, and a new message will be delivered here to your team. Let me show you a real-time example. I'm opening my form again, guys, and let me fill it again with different details now. So now the person who is filling the form is Heather Ali. This is the email address, this is the phone number, and Park. Okay, so I'm changing the details here. Okay, right, now I'm submitting the form, and you can see as I've submitted the form, we have received a new message on Telegram, and that message is this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Instantly your team is going to know that you have captured the lead like this, and they can work on it. Okay, and we are done here. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.